We talked about hardware. So far what you have seen, it is the like input, right? In like keyboard, mouse. That's called hardware. The processor. Actually, the right word is microprocessor, or RAM, or hard disk, right? Let's talk a little bit quickly about output. What is output? As we talked about, the screen itself is an output, but output would be sound card. Remember, when you play a music on your computer, the sound is an output that's coming from your sound card, right? The printer could be a secondary output, because you print something, it goes to the printer and it prints. That's an output. Anything that so the printer, or the sound card, your screen itself, where you are playing a video, or reading a book on your screen, all of this is a part of an output. But at the high level, all of this is hardware. That a computer is made of two parts: hardware and software. The hardware is like empty box, or the keyboards and everything and all. It's a software that needs to run on the hardware and make the computer usable. And you run, the software is nothing but set of instructions. It's a program somebody has written, like Microsoft Office, Windows operating system, Mac OS. All of these are software, examples of software that is running on a hardware. Otherwise, hardware has no value. It's like a brick. But when you put a software, the computer comes alive, and then you get the real value out of it. So there are a lot of foundational softwares, for example, Mac OS, Chrome browser, all of these things you use it in daily life, but the least you need is an operating system. Same thing in Mac OS or Windows operating system. All these are base softwares that makes computer really a computer. And you write your program. Python itself, is a software, and you run on top of Python. You use Python to give instructions to computer, but Python itself is a software.